Installing a Maestro fan light control is easy. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Double-check to make sure the power is off. In most situations, you'll only need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a few small pieces of electrical tape to do the job. Remove your existing switch. Tag the wire that is connected to the line or hot side of the switch. The hot wire is the wire that carries the power from the breaker to the switch. It's typically a black wire. Place 2 tags on the wire that controls the fan. It's typically a black wire. Now you can connect your new control. Don't forget, if you're installing this with other devices, break off the fins on either side. Connect the ground or green wire first to the ground wire, the green or bare wire, in the wall box. Connect the tagged wire, the line or hot load, to the screw terminal on your control. Connect the yellow dimmer wire to the wire with 2 tags, the fan load. Connect the red dimmer wire to the wire from the wall box without any tags. This is the lighting load. Mount the control and add the wall plate. Turn the power back on at the breaker. And that's it. For frequently asked questions and helpful hints, please visit lutron.com/support.